Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, like you can tell in the title, I'm going to be going over my surplus store pickups for July 2018. So I actually just kind of went there on a dime the night before, last night actually. My mom asked me if I wanted to go, and I just decided, you know what, it might be fun to go because I haven't been there in over a year. So I went there to see if maybe I could find a 2009 Xserve. They had a bunch of them last time, but they were like 400 each, so I didn't get one. I was also going to try and find rails for my PowerEdge 2950, and I couldn't find any, unfortunately. But I did find three pretty awesome computers there, and I got it all for just over $100. I think my total was $100.78, and that accounts for tax because I spent $95 on all of the equipment. So you may notice my camera is pretty high right now, and that's because I have a stack of computers that this PowerBook is sitting on. This PowerBook's pretty cool. But if we pan down, I have two 4U rack mount cases, and they do have computers built inside of them. So I'm going to talk about the PowerBook first, and then we'll move on to those rack cases. So here, of course, is a titanium PowerBook G4. So I got this machine for $25, if you can read that price tag. It's for parts, there's no drive, and I presume it's for parts because there is no drive in this system. So the top of the laptop has some scuffs on it, there's also some residue on it and tape left over. So actually, if we just kind of peel that tape off, you can see a lot of it comes off pretty easily. Also on the bottom, if we look here, there's this kind of like pool table kind of looking stuff on the feet here. It also comes with a Neurotech battery that does look to be bulging, unfortunately. So if I go ahead and remove that, you can kind of see right there, there's bulging there. So that's unfortunate, I'll have to get rid of this battery. As for the I/O on this machine, it's actually pretty interesting. We have FireWire 400, Ethernet, dual USB, I believe that's going to be 1.1. We also have a modem here, S-Video, and DVI. I believe the other one of these I have has VGA, and I've never actually seen one of these with DVI, so that's pretty interesting. It was also made in 2002. So overall, this machine is in really good condition. I don't really have a use for a PowerPC machine this old, so I will probably be selling this. If I actually open up the keyboard here, there are two 512 meg RAM modules, so I'm going to pull one of these out. This one actually doesn't say its capacity, I don't think, but the other one is 512 meg, so I believe this has a gig of RAM. Like I said, there is no hard drive in here, but the inside of the machine is really clean, and the keyboard's also really clean. It's a lot better shape than the one I have up in the attic. I've never showed that on the channel, actually, because that was before I started the channel that I got that. So yeah, pretty nice laptop. Like I said, I'll probably be selling this, so look at my eBay. Maybe you'll see it there sometime. So yeah, pretty nice laptop. Like I said, I will be selling this probably, so look on my eBay to see that if you're interested. I'm probably not going to sell it for $25 because I'm going to be upgrading a lot of the parts in this machine. So yeah, I look forward to doing more with that. It's going to be a pretty cool project. Anyway, to continue, this is the first of the two rack mount PCs, and after doing some research, and yes, I know there is a sticker in the bottom corner there that says SuperLogix, but I actually didn't notice that initially, but I looked online and I was able to track down that SuperLogix makes these rack mount computers, and I've seen this type of case before, I just don't know where. So as far as I can tell, these are Socket 775 Pentium machines. They have ATX boards in the back, and actually I'll turn the machine around in a bit to show you that. They're in pretty good shape. The top is a bit scuffed up there, but not too bad. And also, unfortunately, I was unable to get the key for the locked front panel, so I'm going to have to figure out how to get that out. It should be pretty easy to get this off though, but I did shine a light up front into this smoked acrylic front piece, and there is an I/O lock on there, or a keyboard lock, so I like that. My Xserve is my only other server that has that feature, but I do like having that feature on my servers. As for my plans with these PCs, I'm probably going to be parting them out. I'm not sure what board they have or if that board supports Core 2 quads. I'm probably going to put Core 2 quads in them if they do support it, but if they don't, like I said, I'll be putting other systems in here. I have that AMD thing that my old computer teacher gave me that would fit really nicely in one of these, and I also have a ITX Socket 775 board on the way, and you may have already seen that video. This video is going to be coming out pretty late. So yeah. So I told you I would take you around to the back of this machine, and I'll do that right now. So yeah, at the back here we have a kind of standard ATX power supply. These are ATX cases, which is very nice. That's mainly the reason why I bought these, actually, is because they would support my other hardware. So this case has some fan cutouts here. I like back fan covers in my server cases. Like I said, it is for you. And it has these weird cards back here. I'm not sure what interface that is. It's some kind of SAS or SCSI thing, I'm pretty sure. But that's pretty cool. Like I said, I don't know what that connector is or what that kind of thing is for. The other one of these has 3 of those in, I believe, these slots here. So these are ATX boards in here, obviously. This one has FireWire on the back of it, actually. The older one looks to be an older motherboard. So yeah, like I said, I got these both for $35 each. So I'm pretty happy with my purchase here. Hopefully the stuff inside of them is usable. There is no hard drive in these, but the rest of the machine seems to be, fine. So yeah. With that said, that's really all I, got from the store. They had some 24-volt fans there, but they were 24 volts, not 12, so it wouldn't really work too well on the computer. So yeah, with that said, I think that's going to be it for this video. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.